How to fix error code 202 on your Samsung television. First, what does this error mean? Error 202 usually points to a network connection issue. It can happen due to Wi-Fi problems or outdated Samsung television software. Here are the best solutions. Step 1. Reset your television and router. Unplug both your Samsung television and your router from the power outlet. Wait at least 2 minutes, then plug them back in. Once your devices restart, use your television remote to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. In many cases, this quick reset clears the error. Step 2. Update your Samsung television software. Grab your remote and press the gear icon to open settings. Scroll to Support or System and select Software Update. Choose Update Now or check for updates. Your television will connect to Samsung servers, download the latest firmware, and install it. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the update is complete, restart your television and check if the error is gone.